Welcome to my page. Today we're going to continue on laws of indices. I have some examples here which I'm going to solve and see how we can apply the various laws of indices we have learned. So let's go. We have 64 raised to the power of 5 64 raised to the power of 5 over 6. So when you have this kind of questions, you try to reduce this one 64 to the lowest number that you can raise the power and get like 64. So let's go by dividing it. 2 into 65, we have 3, 2, 2 here, 1, 6, 2 again, we have 8, 2 into 8, 4, 2 into 4, 2, 2 into 2, 1. You count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you now for half 64 will be 2 raised to the power of what? 5, 6. Or raised to the power of 5 over 6. So you have simplified your answer, which is 6 here, cancel 6. And you have 2 raised to the power of what? 5, which gives 32. Very simple. That is that. We have our B here. 40 raised to the power of 5 divided by 40 raised to the power of 3. Like we learned here in the other previous video, it gives 40 raised to the power of 5 minus 3. It should be 40 raised to the power of 2. And 40 raised to the power of 2 is 40 times 40. 4 times 4, have 16, and 2 0. That is your answer. Okay, let's move further to C. We have 5 raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of minus half, or raised to the power of 4. So this will give, you open up the bracket, which will give you as 5 raised to the power of minus half multiplied by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. And you have 5 raised to the power of minus 2. So there is a law like this in the previous video, which will give you 1 all over 5 raised to the power of 2. And this is 1 all over 25. If you want to do it, it can be 5 times 5, which gives you this. It's as simple as ABC. We also have D, which is 1 over 25. Everything raised to the power of minus half multiplied by 5 raised to the power of minus 1. Like I explained before, if you have fraction in the bracket and have a negative, you can change it. The numerator changes to denominator and the denominator goes up, which will be 25 over 1. Then the minus disappear times this one, 5 raised to the power of minus 1 will be 1 all over 5 raised to the power of 1, which is still the same thing. Then you go further to apply normal mathematics times 1 over 5. The square root of 25 is 5 times 1 over 5. 5 cancel 5. The remaining one is what? 1. That's your answer. I think it's very, very easy to understand. In the last part, we have 72. 72 a raised to the power of 3, b raised to the power of minus 2, all over 2, a raised to the power of 5, b raised to the power of minus 6. It's as simple as this. You now multiply everything, 72 by a raised to the power of 3 times b raised to the power of minus 2 all over 2 times a raised to the power of 5 times b raised to the power of minus 6 will give 72, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3, and 1. Add it to here in front of 2. We have 12 divided by 2, 6. Then we have 36. Then you apply the laws of indices to the remaining one. We shall have 3 raised to the power of 3. This is division. The 5 is going up, changes to minus, times b raised to the power of minus 2. If minus 6 is going up, you also have changes to what? Minus 6. So we have 36 times 3 minus 5. Have a raised to the power of minus 2 times b minus times minus is plus. So we have minus 2 plus 6, which will give you 36 times a raised to the power of minus 2 times b raised to the power of minus 2 plus 6 is 4. And that will give us 36 times 1 all over a square times b raised to the power of 4. The final answer will be 36 b raised to the power of 4 all over a square. That is your answer. I believe with this, your answer is simple. It's as simple as ABCD. So it's a very simple expression. If you want to look at them once again, from number 1, you have A, B. Simple, you can play the video over and over to understand it. It's very easy to understand. All you need to do is to go slowly, step by step. Don't mix anyone. Make sure you apply all the laws of indices and you will enjoy it. So let us do another one. I have another question for you. I have another question for you. I have 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3, bracket open, n plus 1, bracket close, all over 3 raised to the power of 4n. This is a little bit looks complex, but not. You apply the laws of indices accordingly, and you will see that the question is simple. So let's go. 3 raised to the power of n minus 1. Because of multiplication, we have plus. Over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Let's simplify the numerator first before we use this as the denominator. So ordinary mathematics, we have 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 3 times n, 3n plus 3, bracket open. And you have 3 raised to the power of 4n. This can be simplified further as okay. Let me come back here. 3 raised to the power of n plus 3n. We have 4n minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. You have plus 2 all over 3 raised to the power of 4n. And this can be simplified further as 3 raised to the power of 4n times 3 raised to the power of 2 all over 3 raised to the power of 4n. This cancel this. You are left with 3 raised to the power of 2, which is what? 9. It's as easy as that. So let me go to the next one. This can be simplified further as you try to bring everything to 2, 2 power something, 2 power a number, so that it can go with this. Do you understand? So we have 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3, in brackets, power 2, multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, give n plus 1, all over 2 raised to the power of 2n times 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4, all raised to the power of half, which is square root. This whole sign is 1 over 2. So what do? We open up the brackets. We have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 times 2. We have 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of, open the bracket, 2 times n. 2 times n, we have 2n. 2 times 1, we have 2. All over 2 raised to the power of 2n times 2 raised to the power of 4. 1 over 2. All raised to the power of 1 over 2. I hope you understand this. Go on and do, to simplify further, 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2. This is this. This is this. You are taking it back. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4. I hope you understand what I'm doing. That is why I'm taking it slowly. So let's go further. We bring this one here, this one to one place, and this one to one place. Do you get it? So first of all, let's do the up one. 2 raised to the power of 6. Bring these two that are ordinary number. Because it's multiplication, we have plus 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2n over 2 raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4. You can even see this is similar, can cancel. 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 2 will give you 2 raised to the power of 8 all over 2 raised to the power of 4. And that is equals 2 raised to the power of 8. Because it's division, this one becomes minus 4. Which will give 2 raised to the power of 4. 8 minus 4 is what? Is 4. And you have your 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4. Do not forget, we have this that we have left. So in case you bring it back, and you also bring it back here. So that it won't be lost. You apply this. 2 here, 1. 2 here, we have 2. Therefore, we have 2 raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2. That's what you have at the end, which will give you 4. With this, I believe any indices you can simplify further. Whatever question you have, whatever difficulty, do not rush. Indices is simple. Just apply all the rules and you will get it. Just apply all the rules and the answer will come out. Thanks and see you in the next video.